Rapid spanning tree protocol will categorize the various links within the spanning tree topology. If we examine this right here, we can see this link type is listed as point-to-point, and we find these point-to-point links between switches that have links that are full duplex. And hopefully, all your links between your switches are full duplex. If they're not full duplex, we need to have a chat about how you are hurting your network environment. Make sure they're all full duplex, and they'll get this point-to-point link type automatically. Let's examine our topology in our live environment, and we can see that ASW1 and DSW1, they have the direct link between them. And if we examine gigabit 0/1 on ASW1, its type is point-to-point. We also see this link type of shared. How do we get a link type of shared? Pay very close attention to the graphic you see, folks. What is this device? It's a hub. That's what it is. It's a hub. So it's a shared Ethernet segment that we have out of this Ethernet port on the switch. Therefore, it is half duplex. Therefore, Rapid Spanning Tree Protocol classifies it as a shared link type. And lastly, we have our edge ports. Edge ports are those ports that go down to our end stations. But by default, they will be point-to-point link type. The way they get the edge port status is by configuring the port fast feature, as we have done on Fast Ethernet 0/1 and Fast Ethernet 0/2 of ASW1. So in both of these cases, you can see that the ports going down to PC1 and PC2 are point-to-point edge. So what is the purpose of making Fast Ethernet 0/1 and Fast Ethernet 0/2 edge ports within our topology? Well, when we set up those ports as edge ports, first and foremost, those ports will immediately transition to the forwarding state. There's no such thing as listening. There's no such thing as learning. We don't have to wait 30 seconds. We are automatically in the forwarding state and considered designated ports. As a result, we should never, ever, ever, ever have a switch connected to a port that's configured as an edge port. The edge port is Rapid Spanning Tree Protocol's name for port fast. That's really what it is. So you configure edge ports with the spanning tree port fast command right on the interface. And by doing so, you're enabling port fast, but since you have Rapid Spanning Tree Protocol running, it's classified as an edge port. And another thing that will occur when we have edge ports is that if the interface that the edge port is connected to goes up or down, you unplug the device, plug it back in, administratively disable it, whatever you do. If the status of this port changes because it's an edge port, no topology change BPDU will be sent in the topology when this changes. The topology change BPDU is only sent when non-edge ports transition within the topology.